guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing super well. Today's video is going to be another drugstore look, and I have new stuff to try, so why not? I'm particularly excited about the foundation I'm trying today. It is a new one. I got a whole bunch of stuff from AVON, so I really just wanted to share that with you guys as well. And I'm using an old school concealer. It's back in the mix today, and some eyeshadow palettes and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, I am announcing the first winner of my giveaway because it is the 1st of July and it is my birthday month, so I'm just in the mood. I know you guys are gonna skip all of this and go right to the end. Make sure you come back to watch the tutorial. Okay. So I'm gonna begin by prepping my skin, and I'm going in with the AVON thermal water. This is a nice drugstore facial spray that generally feels so amazing. So we're just gonna hydrate, and I like to use this when I'm not wearing makeup, with makeup, in the plane, wherever. This I absolutely adore. While that's drying, I'm gonna talk about the foundation I'm using today. So I was sent a beautiful drop from AVON like a couple of weeks ago, and I've been looking for an excuse to use this or to try it out for the first time, so I thought that in a drugstore tutorial would be ideal. And this is the AVON True Flawless Ultra Matte Foundation. I believe it's a new foundation from the brand, and I actually, confession, have never tried AVON foundation before, ever. So this I'm quite excited to try out. I also have with me a few of their cream to powder foundations, which I'll be contouring with. So the shade I picked up for myself was Walnut, and it's 30 mils, but it comes in this really compact tube. They also sent with the drop some brushes. I don't know if these are AVON brushes. They aren't branded or anything like that, so I don't know if it's just like brushes that they just added, because there's no AVON branding on it, so I don't know. I'm hesitant to use this because I really wanted to try and blend with a beauty blender today, which is something I also don't do very often or hardly at all. So I just want to use a beauty blender to blend out my foundation today. It looks like it's a good color match. I don't know if it oxidizes, so we're gonna have to see and play it by ear. It says, it doesn't tell me much about the kind of coverage it offers. I would think ultra matte foundations are probably like matte, like full coverage foundations, but I feel like a beauty blender definitely gives you a more natural finish. Today's concealer is an oldie but a goodie. I actually thought I had NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers. I feel like I got them. Maybe I didn't and I'm confused. So I'm just reaching for my LA Girl Pro concealer. I haven't used this in such a long time. Yeah, I feel like I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealers quite a bit, so I thought I would bring out this one. And I like the fact that it's more full coverage as well. I like how the concealer and the foundation work together. I feel like on top of one another, they both look flawless, so I love that. And I love how the brightness of fawn just peeks through. So like I said, I was going to contour with the AVON cream to powder foundations, and I have 3 shades with me. I have Nutmeg, Walnut, which is the color of the foundation that I used. There, and then I have Amaretto, and I think I'll be contouring with Amaretto. I'm gonna have to go darker. Let me find another shade. I'm going to contour with a shade called Maple. It's a bit too cool. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just try and work this out. I'm gonna go ahead and powder contour with the Bonnie Yardley bronzing powder. I'm just gonna do that underneath my jawline and just set that cream product. I want to set my under eye area. To set my under eye area, I'm using the Revolution banana powder. To set my foundation, I'm going in with my black opal ultra matte powder. So I'm going to be working with the NYX Off Tropic palettes today, and I'm going to take the palette called Shifting Sand. I'm going to take this shade right in the middle here, and I'm going to take that in my crease. I'm going back in with my black opal powder. That's not the powder. And I'm just placing this all over my lid because I want like a sort of like a neutral lid. I feel like when it comes to budget beauty and, you know, trying to save your coin when it comes to makeup, it's very important to realize that you can use one product for more than one thing. So one, if you are someone who likes simple looks and you're not really all that keen to play around with eyeshadow, there's nothing wrong with just using your foundation powder as your eyeshadow and just having sort of like a monochromatic look. Your bronzing powder that will be used as your crease color as well. So there are definitely a bunch of ways to navigate around buying a lot of products. I'm taking my NYX waterline pencil and just placing this in my inner, my tear duct, not my tear duct, my waterline. And then I'm gonna go back in with the shade over here underneath that waterline. I love these palettes, they're so pigmented, it's crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz my face. Oh shit, I sprayed too much. Ooh, you can see my eye. Don't do that. I spritzed in my eye. For mascara, I'm going in with this RIMMEL Glam Eyes Day 2 Night mascara. Mascara with a 2-in-1 magic cap. So there's essentially 2 ones here, I believe. You want to spritz your face before you apply mascara to avoid smudging and messing up the eye, but you don't want to spritz like I did. Then I'm going to take the bigger one and go over what I did. On weekends when I do wear makeup, I don't wear lashes, so this is a nice mascara to actually have. So I'm taking the second NYX Off Tropic palette, and this one has more brighter shades and it's called Hasta La Vista. Just taking this detail brush from Real Techniques. I think I'm gonna go in with this orange. My friend Vanessa in Nigeria just did a makeup look like this yesterday where she had orange in the inner corner. So my eyelashes are drying. I want to try out this lipstick I have from Maybelline New York. It's the Maybelline New York times Puma collaboration. So I'm just gonna try it out. The shade is called Unapologetic. Oh my god, I did not expect it to look like this. I thought these were normal bullet lipsticks. Oof, that's too chocolate. I think it's too chocolate for what I want to do. So I'm gonna try out these Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Creams. I have a shade here called Caramel. I'm gonna change this lip, guys. It's not working out. It's not working out. I'm gonna take that new nude lip I just discovered from NYX, and it's called Sugar Mama. Cool beans. Let me fix the rest of my hair. My hair, and I'll be back. This, you guys, is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love it. I really like the foundation. Reminiscing on my old concealer, which I also like. I like the palettes. I love these Ultra palettes from NYX. I feel like they are super pigmented and they work really nicely. I did have a little bit of trouble really packing in the inner corner, because the more I would put on and then some would like lift away, then I'd have to like pack on some more until I just decided, let me just stop. You can see it is bright enough. I don't need to add on more. But yeah, I really liked everything that I used. My first time trying an AVON foundation. I'm not mad at it at all. I feel like it feels nice on the skin. But I should have used a brush like I normally use, which is a tool I normally use to apply foundation, just so that I can really be sure of the way that it feels on my skin. I don't know why I used a beauty blend today. I was just in the mood, but I'll try it on the foundation again in my own time with a makeup brush that I always use, like a kabuki flat brush, or like my Urban Decay makeup foundation brush. Just from the finish alone, I love it. With the paired with the Allego concealer, I loved it. I'll probably try on the foundation again in a vlog so that I can do a longevity test with you guys. I don't know what the claims are about this foundation, but I will put them on the side panel here, just so that you can just get the basic idea of the claims of the foundation, and if you have tried it, what your experience has been. It is the 1st of July. It is my birthday month, and I'm in the mood to do a giveaway. So I am just gonna open my phone quickly and pick a winner for my first box. My first, like those giveaways with the 2 boxes. Yeah, I have someone in mind, because every week, every single time I upload a video, she's there. And that person is, I don't even know her profile picture. Here we go. Mandisa Nkosi. Mandisa Nkosi. Girl, you always come through with support and comments on my videos, so I'm giving you my first big beauty box of giveaways that has freaking everything. Skincare, you guys know what this looks like. So Mandisa, you're getting my first box to kick off my birthday month. Thank you so much for your support. You are so amazing. All of you guys are amazing. But god damn it, every single video this chick is just on, and it's just an in-depth comment about like exactly what has happened in this video. Like, you're it, babes, you're it. So thank you. So Mandisa, all you need to do is I'll leave my email down below. Pop me an email with your delivery address, your daytime delivery address, your daytime address essentially, and your mobile number for courier purposes. And then also with that email, give me your foundation shade. Send me the shade, and then I will know what foundation shade to pack in for your goodie bag. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye. Thank you.